welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see in the title, it is this company called Loragal. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. They did send us a couple of things and we are about to put it on. Guess what? I do have a coupon code for you guys. It will be up here so you guys can save some points. You guys know we are all about saving money on this channel. So without further ado, let's get into this video. If you want to see what Loragal said to me to try on for you guys, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, the first thing they sent us, it is this beautiful I'm gonna say mustard yellow two-piece right over here. It is pretty open on the side, on both sides. It does come with this string right over here. You could tie it any way you want. I don't even know how I'm gonna tie it. Let's see. Okay y'all, I went ahead and I tied on both sides. I know it's not perfect or whatever, it's different way you could go ahead and tie this. I really like this. It is very stretchy. One thing about this is I don't think I can wear heels to it. Let's pull you down a little bit. I don't think I can wear heels to this. Avi, what do you guys think? Y'all think I could wear heels with it? Let me know in the comment section. Or I should just wear like a nice sandal to it and we are good to go. This is this is such a cute little two-piece set. I wish, you see how this place is flabby? That's from the inside. I wish they would have sewn that part down so it's not like coming out on the side right here. But it's a simple thing. I'll just tack it down with the needle and thread. And yeah, this is too cute. I really like it. You could wear the pants with something else. You could wear the shirt with something else. And as you guys can see, it is a wide bell bottom kind of pants on the leg area. This is too cute. I really like this. For real. And it does have like a mock, like a, maybe let me say a full turtleneck situation, but you could go ahead and roll it down. Go ahead and roll it down like that, and that is so cute. I'm gonna wear this to like maybe a quick brunch with the girls or with my husband or something good like that. This is cute. I like it. And if you want to be modest, you could just wear like a nice crop tank top on the inside and stuff like that, and you'll be able to go. I don't think. Okay, y'all, we like the first one. Trust me, I love the first one. This one, I love it all the way to right here. That's the only, that's, let's be honest. I'm gonna put it right here. You guys will see what it's supposed to look like. But this is this one right here. The last one I got it in a size large, I think. Let me see. Yeah, I got it in a size large. This I got in a size medium. I should have just gotten it in a size large, but I like the contrast. I like the contrast of the black and the white. I love that. That is the main reason why I got this in the first place. I like the V-neck situation going on because something you can just throw on, put a sandal with, and you are good to go. This is really cute from, like I said, from here to here. I mean, point blank period. But then y'all see how high water it is on me. I'm only 5'5". I will put my measurement right here and also in the description box for you guys. This company is good. This is such a good quality linen kind of situation material. I love that. Like I said, I love the white and the black situation going on. The only thing is the length for me. Like where am I gonna wear this to? It's short on me, so if you're shorter than 5'5", I don't know where this will hit you. And then the back, as you guys can see, it's like it's like out there on my body. You can't even, which I don't even mind. If it was longer, like it was all the way down to the ground, I will be in love with this. I won't mind. I'll just wear it casually, sandal, a crossbody bag, and go run some errands and take my kids to the park or something like that. But baby, this one is giving high waters. It's giving high water. So I don't know how I feel about this, guys. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about this, if I should return it or I don't know, I should keep it. It's not bad. It's not. The more I actually put it on right now and looking at myself in the mirror, the more I like it. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm a confused human being right now. I like the freeness. Like this hot summer, this would be a very nice outfit to wear. I just wish it was like about 2 inches longer. Just 2 inches longer. I don't know if I take it to the tailor and get like a black material and tell them to like add it to the end. Maybe it might be better. But baby, this is interesting, but let's get into the next one. This one right here is a love-hate situation for me because I really like it. I really like it. I give it about a, let's say 7.8. Okay, it's up there for me. It's a very silky material, but it has a little bit of stretch. I got this in a size medium. As you guys can see, it does have cutout on the side and the back. It's half open right here on the back, as you guys can see. Don't mind my rolls, okay? The only thing is this part right here. It's a little snug, but it's not bad. Just wish if you move too hard, the thing might be coming out on this side. But other than that, the more, like I told you guys, the more I put this on, the more I'm liking it. Okay, I like it. It ain't bad. I'm probably not gonna dress it up. I'll probably dress it down for like a brunch situation. Sandal, nice little clutch purse, and yeah. But if you eat, just know that's your babies right here. Like the guts will be gutting. Okay, I'm just letting you know. But this is cute. I did get this also in a size medium. I feel like if I got in a large, I would have loved them more. But the thing about, I'll probably go use my own coins, right, to buy from their website. You guys know, even if I buy it from their website or they gifted it to me, I'm still gonna give you guys my honest opinion. Okay, so yeah. But other than that, this is cute. This is cute. Me looking at myself in the mirror right now, this is cute. It does have a little bit of stretch right here, so if you have a bigger bum than I do, this might fit you. And I think that's the only reason why it's not touching the ground the way I would like it to touch, because my hips is lifting it up and my butt. But baby, look at that though. Look at that back. Look at that back though. This is cute. Okay, don't get me wrong. Okay, I like it now. I like it now. Definitely gonna wear this on one of my vacation coming up. So, oh yeah, definitely wearing this on one of my vacation coming up. I just wish like the top part right here comes down a little bit, cover up at least a little bit of my rolls back there, but who cares? You want to chop some roll, put it in the oven, warm it up, and it's really good though. I'm just saying. And then stock a couple of necklaces on here, simple like this, nice ring on and all that good stuff. But this is cute. Me like it. Honestly, when I first put it on, I looked at myself in the mirror. I'm like, oof, this ain't it. But then I look at myself again and I'm like, yes, girl, you look good. Yes, girl, you look good. Yes, girl, you look good. Okay, guys, the next thing they sent to me, it is this 2-piece set. Unfortunately, the skirt doesn't fit. The waist is too tiny for my waist, at least. I got it in a size medium. I don't know if I'm the one who's wrong sizing with them or something like that, but I'll say a size up. I don't know. Stay your size up. I'm not sure about this company yet, but when I do my next review with them, I'll let you guys know if you should size up or you should stay your size, because medium is my natural size from all companies. Okay, so this is the skirt. I'm gonna show you guys right here what this outfit is supposed to look like. This is the skirt. It does have some little thingy over there. Pretty long, yeah, pretty long, but it won't zip up for me. But this is the top right over here, really cute. Which, girl, I'm rocking this. I'm rocking this top, okay? This top is cute. I love off the shoulder kind of top right like this, crop little ones, and then it does have a little non-functional tie, non-functional string right here, but you could go ahead and tie it up there. This is too cute. Even with this skirt, I don't know where this skirt came from. I had it a long time ago. It does have a little string on the side, but we're not here for that. So this is what the top is looking like. I really like it. I really like it. I just wish the pink skirt, I wish the skirt would fit, but other than that, this is cute. I like it. Nothing much to say. This is what the back is looking like. Just a cute crop off the shoulder top. Y'all like? Cause I like. Okay. Okay, y'all. This is the last thing they sent us. This top right here. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. One of my favorite in this haul. Okay. It's just sheer. As you can see, you just put it on, tie it on your neck right over there, and you're good to go. This is one thing I should have sized down in. I got this in a medium. Like I told you guys, medium is my natural size. As you guys can see, it's covering nothing. Nothing. Or cover nothing. As you can see, it covers literally nothing. Okay? So you definitely, I went ahead and ended up pop out a bra, because your girl, I don't know if I ever told you on this channel, I don't like wearing bras. Okay? I don't like it. And I have a lot. I have a lot of bras, but I just don't like wearing them. But yeah, this is what this one is looking like. I went ahead and popped out a black bra. You could wear any color bra under this, and you are good to go. The sleeve, baby. What is that? What is that? The sleeve, baby. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. No, but let's stop. Okay, never mind. Over here, if I wear it, I'll probably just pin right here, just to pin it down a little bit. Have a better person tell me tie it on the neck. But this right here, it is cute. They are also an affordable side, so don't forget to check the description box, and also be pinned in the comment section for your coupon code. You're gonna be saving some moolah, okay? Okay, even with the discount code they already have on their website, you can still save some more money with my code. Go ahead and use it, okay? I think it's 𝐶TO15. Don't quote me on that. You guys will see it on the screen and also in the description box. But other than that, this is what this one is looking like. I'm loving it. And this is the back. The back is pretty much open. As you can see, it's very sheer, very open. But baby, me like it. Oh, this is too freaking cute. See, all right guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys like this video, if you guys like this kind of thing, don't forget to join the family. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can join the 𝐷𝐶TO family. Everything that you guys see in this video will definitely be in the link in the description box, and also the coupon code and all of the goodies that I have to be in the description box. Till next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.